Here is how you can quickly find your Instagram username and password in 2024. Now this is a new update. It's not like before. So the first thing you need to do is open your Instagram app. Now once you've opened your Instagram app, it should look like this. Now what you want to do is click on the profile icon below. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you should see this. Now if you want to see your username, you should click on edit profile here. Now once you've clicked edit profile, you can see your username. Now you can edit it here and then click the stick to save. And once you click this tick, you can see that your Instagram username is now set, and then you can go back. Now to find your password, you want to click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Once you click the hamburger icon, click settings and privacy. Once you click settings and privacy, you click on account center at the top. And once you clicked on account center, you should see this. Then scroll down, click password and security. Once you've clicked password and security, you want to click on save login. And once you click save login, you should see your full list of accounts. Now choose the account which you want to see the save login. Now make sure this toggle is turned on right over here, and also this one. This is because so that Instagram notifies you and sends you your password whenever you want to log in. So even though you forget it, Instagram remembers it for you. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to change password. And once you click on change password, click on the account. Now click on forgot your password over here. Now you can see that Instagram immediately sent me an email to my Gmail to get it. So that's it. Please subscribe if this helps.